got entertainment today.
Always. I'm just waiting to lay bombs on us. There's a bug down my shirt. Not sure. Might be here. I want my sandwich.
Why don't you use your manners?
Skies. Oh, look at that.
Not really.
I know, the clouds will follow us. We know because you're with us. I'm just kidding.
You gotta send me downriver. The clouds follow me.
Yeah, the clouds are gone. It's not raining.
And where's Sean? Just kidding.
Follow the hurricane.
What an annoying bird that was.
I think that's why it's at the... Here, take my bird for a day.
Yeah.
Give me some sanity.
$20 a day. Take it. Thing jumped on my shoulder, then it hung around and leaned over so it was looking at me right in the eye.
I'm a pretty bird, right? Say I'm a pretty bird, I'll sit on you.
You were just like, don't
did
you
he try
dare
to talk to
poop
you? Did
on
he
me.
say hi?
Yeah, he leaned over, went around in front of me, leaned over so we were face to face.
Hi.
They're a smart animal.
Pretty bird, right?
Shakes his fist at you.
Yeah.
Hey, pretty bird.
Yeah, they are supposed to be really smart.
Pretty bird. Pretty bird.
Ah. Dogs.
Oh yeah, smarter than Marlo will ever be.
Oh, Marlo's pretty darn smart.